Hi friends, let's color Peppa Pig and her friend. Let's start with Susie Sheep. Susie's sheep cheek is light pink. And her nose is dark pink, just like her dress. You look great, Susie. Now let's color Peppa. And Peppa is, of course, pink, her favorite color. Of course, we can't forget about her signature red dress. Look at them. They are having so much fun. Now let's color the big Peppa. Looks like she is performing, singing with her microphone. So much fun. Her cheek is a bit darker. Since we color little Peppa's dress red, let's try different color this time. What do you think about green? I think it looks great. And her microphone, let's color blue and yellow. They are looking fabulous. Thanks for watching. See you next time.